Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular mini washers, the Nixod and the Grinchat. Both machines are designed for convenience in small living spaces, making them perfect for apartments, dormitories, and even travel. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and what sets them apart to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Nixod portable washing machine comes equipped with a spin basket, allowing for better drying of your clothes after washing. In contrast, the Grinchat model does not include this feature, which may be a deciding factor for those who value convenience in drying their laundry. Both machines, however, offer a folding design and timer buttons for ease of use. When it comes to portability, the weight of the machines is crucial. The Nixod weighs 4.6 pounds, making it slightly heavier than the Grinchat, which weighs only 3.5 pounds. If you're looking for a lightweight option for travel or easy storage, the Grinchat might be the better choice. Aesthetically, the Nixod is designed in a sleek white color, while the Grinchat features a vibrant green finish. This color difference may appeal to different preferences, with the Nixod offering a more classic look and the Grinchat providing a pop of color for your laundry space. In conclusion, both the Nixod and Grinchat portable washing machines provide excellent solutions for washing small loads in limited spaces. The Nixod's spin basket feature adds convenience, while the Grinchat's lighter weight makes it easier to transport. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.